Endometriosis is a chronic and often painful medical condition in which tissue similar to the lining of the uterus, endometrium, grows outside the uterus. This misplaced tissue, called endometrial implants or lesions, can occur in various parts of the body, including pelvis, ovaries, fallopian tubes, bowel, bladder, and abdominal cavity. Common symptoms of endometriosis: pelvic pain or cramping during menstruation or intercourse, heavy or irregular menstrual bleeding, infertility or difficulty conceiving, painful bowel movements or urination. Treatment options: pain management medications, hormonal therapies like birth control pills, surgery like laparoscopic, lifestyle changes, diet, exercise, stress management. Foods to avoid strictly: refined sugars, white sugar, high fructose corn syrup, processed foods, baked goods, sweetened beverages, sugary drinks, soda, sports drinks, hidden sources, canned goods, sauces, condiments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like to show your support. Share with your loved ones to spread awareness. Comment below with your thoughts and experiences.